Sawadee Kap. Welcome to Break Time with Monte. Today's story, Crocodiles Escape Pig Farms. Baby crocodiles escape through drain pipe from crocodile farm in Ratchaburi. Some locals hunt them down and eat them. Others get a cash reward. Several baby crocodiles escaped from a crocodile farm in Ratchaburi on Sunday, causing a panic among local residents who feared the crocodiles might evade capture, grow up into big crocodiles, and become dangerous to villagers one day. Workers had opened drains to draw off the water into a canal behind the farm after continuous rainfall since Saturday had raised water levels in the crocodile pits. Some of the young crocodiles managed to slip into the waterway outside the farm through the drainage pipes and escape from the farm where they were kept. Locals managed to shoot and killed 4 of the escaped crocodiles, cook them up, and eat them. 4 of the crocodiles were recaptured on Tuesday following an intense crocodile hunt. One farmer said her farm had 3 crocodile pits, 2 for adult crocodiles and the other for immature crocodiles, and each had about 150 of the reptiles living in them. A cash reward was given for helping catch the runaway crocodiles, which were found in the canal behind a large crocodile farm. They were trapped after water was drained from the canal there. The hunt continued for 2 remaining fugitive crocodiles. After the crocodile escape in Ratchaburi, a team of soldiers and officials inspected a major crocodile farm in Chai Nat to ensure there was no repeat of the crocodile escape in Ratchaburi. The farm has over 3,000 crocodiles, about 1,500 adults, and a similar number of young crocs 60 to 80 centimeters long. Pig farmers feed crocodile old, sick pigs. Many pig farmers in Ratchaburi raise crocodiles as a legal sideline business, feeding them dead and diseased pigs or pigs that can't be sold at the market, and then after raising the crocodiles, selling the skins and meat for a profit. Several pig farms in Ratchaburi also illegally raise crocodiles without a license. Crackdown on crocodile farming pig farmers. Pig farmers have been given 1 week to improve the crocodile pits to prevent the crocodiles from escaping again or lose their licenses. Operators of 31 pig farms were called together to discuss the problem. Farmers were advised to cover crocodile pits with steel gates. Pits for crocodiles must be 2.5 meters high, while pits for baby crocs must have shade nets to protect them from being taken away by birds. Crocodile farmers must also seek permission and keep authorities updated on the crocodile population living on their farm. And now, today's vocabulary. Canal. Canal. Cash, cash, continuous, continuous, crocodile, crocodile, drain, 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 drainage, drainage, draw, draw, escape, escape, fugitive, fugitive, hunt, hunt, illegally, illegally, immature, immature, inspect, inspect, intense, intense, level, level, license, license, local, local, managed to, managed to, meal, meal, officials, officials, panic, panic, pipe, pipe, pit, pit, prevent, prevent, recapture, recapture, remain, remain, repeat, repeat, reptile, reptile, sideline, sideline, skin, skin, slip, slip, trapped, trapped, waterway, waterway. That's today's story and vocabulary. You have a great day. I'll see you next time here on Break Time with Monte.